Good morning everyone. I am Navyashri Nacha from grade 6B. I welcome respected our school principal, father, our beloved teachers and all students to this morning assembly. Watson to share the glossary altruism, spelling altruism, meaning selfless concern for others' well-being. Benevolence, spelling benevvolence, meaning act of doing good for others. Thank you. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. As John continued his day, he saw Sarah, a fellow student, sitting alone and looking sad.
Hi Sarah, is everything okay?
I just feel really down today.
Would you like to talk about it? Sometimes sharing the thing can think better.
Thanks, John. I appreciate that.